So, sample problem number 1. We have for a 300 mm diameter concrete pipe, 3,600 meter long. This is meter class, not mm. Find the diameter of a 300 meter long equivalent pipe. Assume the friction factor F to be the same for both pipes. So, meron tayong original na concrete pipe. Okay, so ang diameter niya is, tawagin nating DO kasi diameter original, 300 mm. And the length of the original pipe is 3,600 meter. Ang gusto natin is hanapin kung ano yung diameter na equivalent kasi papalitan natin yung length nito as 300 meters long na, hindi na siya 3,600 meter. So, ano yung diameter of a 300 meter long equivalent pipe? Assume friction factor F to be the same for both pipes. So, kung ano man yung friction factor sa original, sa equivalent, same din daw sila ng friction factor. Okay? So, na-discuss natin doon sa concept na for two pipes to be equivalent, diba ano yung kailangan? Kailangan, dalawa yung na criteria eh. Kailangan their head loss should be equal, no? Yung head loss sa original equal din sa head loss sa equivalent or yung new. And pangalawa is what? Kailangan yung volume flow rate or yung discharge. Yung discharge sa original equal sa discharge doon sa equivalent na pipe. So, pag masatisfy natin itong dalawa, so they are now two equivalent pipes. Okay? So, gagawin natin to for this problem. So, i-equal natin yung head loss nilang dalawa and also their flow rate. But, nandito rin sa problem na equal din ang kanilang friction factor. Okay. So, if, ibaba lang natin ha. Ay, hindi pala may baba. Okay. So, if ang head loss natin sa original, gamitin natin yung formula na 0. Ni Darcy-Weisbach for circular pipes, 0.0826 F length, gawin ko siyang original. Q, since equal lang sila sa original and sa equivalent, Q lang ang ilagay ko, and then squared. Tapos yung F class, equal lang naman yung sa original and equivalent, given yan dito, so F na lang yung nilagay natin, and then over the diameter of the original raised to the 5. Okay, so yan yung sa formula. And then, yung sa equivalent naman, same formula, pero iba na yung mga variables. Yung F, equal lang sila sa original. Ito, palitan natin ng length, equivalent. And then, ang flow rate, they're just equal. And then, we have D equivalent to the 5. But, hindi lang yung Q ang equal. Para maging equivalent sila, kailangan itong dalawa should also be equal. So, HFO should be equals to HFE. Okay? So, equate natin yung dalawang equation na meron tayo. So, you have 0.0826 FLO Q squared over DO to the 5 equals 0.0826 FLE Q squared over DE to the 5. So, mangyayari, since pwede itong i-cancel na natin. Ito ring F na to, as well as the Q squared. So, ang natira is yung ratio lang ng L and the diameter raised to 5th. And meron tayong L original, that is 3,600 meters. And then, ano yung diameter natin? Ang diameter is 0.3. Erase natin to the 5. So, this is equals to L equivalent na 300 meters. Then, all over, erase natin sa all over diameter E, which is yung hinahanap, erase natin sa 5. Okay, erase sa 5. And we have, kung mag-shift solve kayo class using your calculator, ang lalabas na diameter dito is 0.1825 meters. Or in millimeter, that is 18.25 mm. 18.25 mm. So, this is our final answer for this problem. If you have any question, comment down below so that alam natin kung ano yung mga hindi nyo na intindihan in this problem number 1.